wanna be free. Break all the shackles of society. I wanna do more.
Evening all. Welcome to the Pub Crawl channel. Lovely to see you all, and thanks for checking out the vid. Tonight, Laguna Matata. Probably means no worries, I'm not sure. But it is a sour ale, and 4.2. Let's give her a go. Interesting. The old sour yet satisfying. And so the can says, so they wouldn't lie. 1.1 standards, it's a little tiny can. From the Moondog Craft Brewery. Now I had tried this on tap before, and yeah, very, very nice out of the glass. But when I ripped through the bottle just before, I was looking for something just different because, yeah, a few things going on in the background going, and this was it. So it's actually very refreshing. I sort of feel like when me Staffy eats her biscuits and, you know, she comes back and she's gone. That's how I feel with this stuff. And I guess with that, like, she really enjoys the biscuits, so maybe there's connection there, but no, very, very nice. Another Victorian product. Of course, there's a lot of good things come from Victoria. Mainly, most of their good people. You guys know who you are. I don't know a lot about it. I'll chuck the info down as I always do. But the Laguna Matata. When my kids were little, that Lion King video, Laguna Matata. Oh man, I don't know how many times we got played. In particular, my middle daughter, she just was the Lion King, just non-stop. And that was also funny when I saw this, what these are called. That's the first thing I thought of. The Laguna Matata. Would I drink it again? Yeah. Yeah, I think I will. I'll probably drink a couple more of them. Not bad at all. But anyway, you guys have a bloody good night. Thanks for calling in. Always appreciate it. And look after your mates and your family. Everyone has battles. We look after each other to get through it. So, drink responsibly. I'm going to give this an 8.5 out of 10. See you next time, guys. Be cool. See ya.
Some other way. I wanna have a drink. I wanna be free. Break all the shackles of society. I wanna do more.